Good morning, everyone. I am Aris Khan of class 7th B and House Shivalik Junior of PM Shri Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Yamunanagar. Today I am here to speak some lines on the topic why you love your parents. Parents are the wonderful gift for us given by God. They help and support us in every moment of life. Mother gave us birth and take care of our family. Father earns money for buying food and all necessary items. They ensure our safety and care and help us in our studies. I am thankful to God to give me such a wonderful parents. May the God give them good health and long life. Thank you.